People always say gear doesn't matter, and I think they're right, but also I think they're kind of wrong. Because it's true that gear doesn't make you a better photographer, but finding the right camera for you can change everything. We don't take photos in a vacuum. The camera in your hand should feel like an extension of you. It should make you want to go out and shoot. Cameras can be tactile, bulky, compact, high-tech, nostalgic, but picking the right camera could make a difference in taking your art to the next level.
Everywhere I see blue skies, ain't no good in your good eyes. I'm running through red lights, don't care where we go.
Some people care a lot about specs, like how many megapixels a camera has, the autofocus speed, the dynamic range in a camera, but what all those numbers give you is not really what I think is important in a camera in choosing the right camera for you, and it's how much you would love shooting on that specific camera. The real question is, does your camera make you want to pick it up and shoot it? And when you love your gear, and not because it's the latest and greatest, but how it makes you feel as a photographer, that's when photography can become something more. So let's talk about different camera types, and not just what's the best camera, but which camera makes sense for you. Digital cameras are fast, efficient, perfect for professionals or content creators, or someone who just needs something that's really reliable and modern. If you're shooting fast-moving subjects or delivering work to clients, this is probably where you feel the most at home. Film isn't necessarily better than digital, it's just something different. Some people fall in love with the process of shooting film, loading your own film, seeing how different film stocks can give you different looks. And some people just want to get that nostalgia look that they got when their parents were shooting cameras back when they were little. Point and shoot cameras are in that middle ground, fun, lightweight, perfect for people who want to capture life without overthinking settings. So whether you're shooting with the Ricoh GR3 on the digital side or any number of film point and shoot cameras you can get that are really, really cheap, all the way to the most expensive like a Contax T2, I think it's just what you're willing to carry and what that process looks like to you. So if a point and shoot is what will get you out the door and actually go out and shoot photos, that's the camera for you. Some of my favorite photos weren't taken on one of my fancy cameras, it was just taken with my phone. And it was just because that's how something worth capturing, and whether it was taken with a big camera or with my phone, it was just something I really wanted to make sure I wanted to capture. And why I think it matters, and the reason I'm making this video in the first place, is because I used to think that I needed the best camera in order for me to get the best photos. But the truth is, I just need to find the camera that makes me want to get out there and shoot and to create. But something I've come to realize over the years and trying different cameras and chasing specs and chasing different camera brands is the fact that I feel like photography is supposed to be fun, and whenever I'm having fun, that's when I make my best work and things that I feel like inspire me and makes me want to get out there and start making more things. So my advice to you, and something I had to learn the hard way, is to stop thinking about what's the best camera and start to just looking for the camera that gets you out the door. So my question to you is to let me know what camera you love to use, and more importantly, why you choose to use it. And I would love to hear all different perspectives of people on what they like to use, because I think photography and cameras is not one size fits all. Everybody has different needs, and I would love to see what everybody else is using. So thank you so much for watching this week's video. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you next time.